bring you a new product from Tressallure's Tress Tech line, which is their like amazing products like the wig wax. Let's start with this one first. This is the Dry Shampoo. It says that it volumizes and cleans hair by absorbing dirt, oil, sweat, and odor. Okay, and I'm going to do full videos on this, but I wanted to just show you this. This is my very, very first impression. I haven't even opened it yet. All right, let's see what's going on. You know, I'm big about smell too, so I'm going to shake this up. This is Estetica's Verona in Vanilla Macchiato. So let's just put... It smells very, very, very similar to the wig wax. Very, very, very similar. Okay. This is a little wet because I... sprayed it down a little bit. I'll do a full review. So far so good with the smell. Like that's one of my big things is the smell. So far so good with the smell. Again, I will be testing this out and do a full video, but I just wanted to show you because they just released these. I think the retail price is $24, just like the wig wax. I will get this up on my website ASAP, but if you want to order, ooh, does make it feel good. If you want to order it now, please send me a message. Okay, bye.